Hello, my name is Kirk Hansen with Splunk. This video is part of a video series where we provide detail on how to configure Pivotal Cloud Foundry and Splunk for the purpose of ingesting data from Pivotal Cloud Foundry into Splunk. We will also go through how to use the Splunk app for PCF, otherwise known as the Pivotal Cloud Foundry Health app, which has several use cases for this data out of the box. Let's get started. So the first thing you'll see when you launch the Pivotal Cloud Foundry Health app is a Getting Started page. The Getting Started page's function is to list out some quick links for documentation purposes, give an overall description of each of these that we're going through here in the video, each of these dashboard components, as well as give you some documentation links and the video series link. So just, I guess, a reference section, as well as give you a data overview. This is just a quick check to see if the data is actually flowing in, and if it's flowing in, what event types are flowing in. When we click on Executive Overview, we're faced with just exactly that. The idea really here behind this is to just give the execs or the ability for maybe a service owner to be able to understand if high level, if Pivotal Cloud Foundry environment is up or down. This can be filtered by foundation as well as enhance the time if needed. But the overall idea is really just to give a starting point for, let's say, high level executives or management. Opsman Health will be a drill down as well. This will actually get you into some more detail behind it, the same as Bosch Health Status and Job Health Status. It's noteworthy that Canary up or down does not contain a drill down. So if I click on IT Operations Visibility, it's another granular layer just below Executive Overview with a little bit more information. The ability to still drill down on these three metrics is still there. There's just a different concept with a little bit more of a granular step down. But below that granularity, there's also the PCF SOP granular section that really has more of the meat behind the operations. So I'm not going to go into each one of these. The Canary Health app is very well defined inside the documentation for PCF Health Watch as well as other sections. HTTP request is a general section really just designed to give you some understanding of traffic. Logging performance is fairly self-explanatory. Job vitals and job health, right? So the vitals around each of those jobs as well as the health of those jobs. So really very ops focused in this section. So if I click on PCF app monitoring section, and inside of there, there's two dashboards. The first thing we're going to look at is PCF app investigation. This dashboard is really designed to give you an understanding of how the app is performing, specifically memory usage against memory quota. In the future enhancements, there will be a similar panel that will be injected that will also have storage related quotas so that you can understand where you are against quota for both your app's memory usage as well as your disk quota. And it has just some graphic representation on the bottom as well for those. So if I click on PCF cell monitoring inside the PCF app monitoring as well, I'm faced with the job instance pull down, which will give me a job instance, which is a unique identifier for the job, as well as a time picker, and then some metrics that are unique to that CF, or to that job instance rather. So this concludes the demo. There is a ton of enhancements coming, and for enhancements you can always contact kirk@splunk.com and I can give you a list of enhancements or certainly meet with you and incorporate those enhancements into future releases. Thank you very much for your time. If you have any questions, please again email Kirk, K-I-R-K, @splunk.com. Thank you.